In this video from Device Doctor, we are going to show you how to fix an Epson WorkForce 3720 with a serious ink leak problem. Let's see what's going on and how to solve it step by step.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
In this video, we're dealing with the 03104 error on the Epson WorkForce 3720 printer. This error usually appears when the printhead is or its ribbon cables have a faulty connection. But in our case, the real reason is ink leakage. The printer owner placed the ink tank higher than the printer, which caused the ink to flow down into the printhead under pressure. As a result, the printhead, FFC cables, and even the mainboard connectors are filled with ink. In the first step, carefully disconnect the FFC cables from the printhead. Then, remove the printhead from the printer so we can wash it completely and remove all the leaked ink inside. Now, gently clean the cables using a soft and smooth cloth. Make sure to carefully wipe away any ink that has leaked inside the printhead unit. This step is important to make the printer clean and ready to work perfectly again. Now remove the screws of the printhead so you can clean the inside as well. Carefully wash away all the leaked ink and make sure every part is clean. It is an easy process, but you must be very careful because the printhead is the most sensitive and important part of the printer. Now wash both parts of the printhead under running water and remove all the ink that has built up inside. It is a simple process. Just follow the steps shown in this video and make sure no ink is left inside. After washing both parts of the printhead, carefully dry them using a clean and soft cloth. Gently wipe every side of the printhead, including the metal contacts and the nozzles area. This step is very important because any remaining moisture can cause electrical problems when you reinstall the printhead. Take your time and make sure it is completely dry before moving to the next step. You should know that drying the printhead with a cloth alone is not enough. Some sensitive areas may still stay wet, which can cause short circuits or errors later. That is why you need to use a hairdryer with strong air pressure to completely dry the printhead. Make sure every part is fully dry before you reinstall it into the printer. This is one of the most important steps in printhead restoration, so you must be very careful. Make sure every area where the printhead cables connect is completely dry. Even a small drop of moisture in these contact points can cause serious electrical damage when you power on the printer. Take your time and double-check every connector before moving forward. Now the printhead is fully dry, especially if you used an air pressure device. Drying is a very important step because any remaining moisture can damage the printhead or cause errors when the printer is powered on. If you do not have an air pressure machine, you can use a regular hairdryer. Hold the hairdryer at a safe distance and move it around slowly to make sure all parts, especially the metal contacts and sensitive areas, are completely dry. And if you are not in a hurry, placing the printhead under direct sunlight for several hours is the safest method. Sunlight helps evaporate any hidden moisture naturally, making the printhead completely ready for installation. However, keep in mind that this is not a standard method. If you take your printer to an Epson service center, they would replace the printhead, which is very expensive. This DIY method should only be attempted if you are willing to take the risk that the printer could sometimes fail completely. If it works, however, it can save you a lot of money, or even cost nothing at all. Always be aware of the risks before trying this technique. Our method worked perfectly, and the Epson WorkForce 3720 is now fully restored. Thank you for watching Device Doctor. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and share. You can also support us with a super thanks in the comments, helping us create more easy, professional printer tutorials. Stay tuned for more expert tips.